Houston Public Library presents How to Draw Basic Shapes, Part 2. Triangles. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need is some paper. Next, you're going to need a pencil. Any pencil will do. Then, you're going to need a pencil sharpener. But you're not going to need a ruler, so get rid of that. Pick up your pencil and mark 3 spots or points on your piece of paper and label them A, B, and C. Now connect A to B, B to C, and finally C to A. And you've made yourself a triangle. Practice drawing triangles all over your page. Experiment with different sizes and different angles. There are lots of different types of triangles. There are acute, there are obtuse, and there's right triangles. Playing with different angles will give you a variety of different types of triangles. It can make your drawings way more interesting. Let's go on to the next step. For this step, you're actually going to take your sheet of paper and you're going to fold it hamburger style. Then, you're going to unfold it and fold it hot dog style. Then when you open it back up, you're going to take one corner, go all the way to the other edge, and make a crease. You can start to see that you're starting to make triangles all over the page. And you're going to do this to all 4 corners. Once you're done with that, open up your page and you'll see that in the middle you have 2 small triangles. We're actually going to rip those out. If you want to use scissors, you're more than welcome to get a nice crisp edge, but there's something satisfying about ripping a piece of paper apart. Once you have your small little triangle, we're going to put it onto the next page and we're going to trace around it just to get familiar with the shape. Go over your lines a couple of times just to make sure that you can get comfortable drawing a straight line. If you want to, you're more than welcome to pick the ruler off the floor where I threw it and use it to kind of even out your lines a little bit more. Go back to the paper that you had originally ripped the triangle out of and try using other larger, smaller, different sizes of triangles using that same exact paper. You can fold the edges and that way you don't have to rip it apart. For the final part, we're going to create characters using triangles. Start with a big triangle and use the head, and then use smaller triangles for the eyes and the mouth. And then move on to the body. Try to use only triangles when you're creating these characters. And see the different angles that you can put them at, and also experiment with different types of triangles. Thanks for watching.